Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Liquid Ocelot, and today I'm going to be discussing why I'm selling my 3060 Ti and 3070 Ti. The reason is that the proof of stake of Ethereum has gone too high, and also I cannot mine Ethereum and also Ravencoin. So I have bought these three cards, two 3060 Ti and one 3070 Ti on Ti for mining. But now I'm selling because I cannot mine anymore. The links to buying these cards are in the description. The 3060 Ti I'm selling for 100k PKR, and the 3070 Ti I'm selling on 160 PKR. Both the links are present in the description box with a contact number. So if you are interested in buying these cards, you can head over there. And also, my friends, these are Gigabyte and Zotac GPUs, so you can do mining on them, mining Ravencoin, or maybe for gaming as well, and they are 3 months old. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of these cards. I'm selling them very cheap, and they are on affordable prices, bang for buck, and only 3 months old. So you can get them, my friends. You can get these cards very cheaply, and as you can see, they are in excellent condition. The condition is very good of these GPUs. I am going to be upset because I cannot mine cryptocurrency anymore on these cards, and it was a good invested while it lasted. I made around some over 200 PKR. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off.